Okay, so we're here at Penn Lake with my buddy Liz, and we're going to try to get out there on the lake today. It's a really nice day. We're not going to catch any fish today. I know it's YinzerFishing, but we're going to at least get out and give the kayaks a shot and do our first kayak video for the channel. All right, first paddle of 2022. Not too bad, not much foliage or anything going on here. Got some ducks. Looks pretty good. How do you like the Steeler kayak? Yeah. Somehow I didn't have a Bills sticker to put on it though. You know, best I could do. Yeah, they're probably going to be kicking butt this year. Of course, we got that new quarterback from University of Pittsburgh, Kenny Pickett. You know, he's going to be pretty awesome. Hail to Pitt. Man, I like the homes along here. They're really pretty cool. I wonder if you can rent a place up here. Yeah? Oh man. Sounds like a great idea. So cool. Look at all the chairs along the lakeside over there. The only thing that would make this better is if I was catching fish, but in the interest of time, I would never make it back for Ray's 7 o'clock meeting. That's what would happen, you know? Yeah, you're okay. Yeah, that makes sense. I got nothing else to do. I'm just gonna be sitting at the plant. Oh yeah, this water's really smooth back here. Man, this would be a really nice spot to fish right back here. I don't see any fish coming to the surface right now though. That's a nice shot of the sun reflecting off the water though. I like this little mini bay right here. That's really nice. That stone, there's a stone fireplace over there. Stone chimneys, those are nice too. Pretty cool. There's the wide view of the lake. Not too bad. Okay, so I think all I got is your silhouette there. Oh, that's okay. It's kind of cool. I like the reflection there though. As long as you don't mind being like a YouTube star. Okay, that's all we got for today for another exciting episode of YinzerFishing. Right, Liz? What are you supposed to say? You're supposed to say, don't forget to like and subscribe, right? Sure, that's not very enthusiastic. Okay, very good. Anyhow, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see what we can do with this. That's our first outing on a kayak this year. And we're done. Thanks a lot. See ya.